Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome Trent Cardinal video. And you may be wondering right now, why am I near my dog? I just wanted to show you how cute Bella is. Also, this is Bella from TikTok, Bella Beans, I think. And today we're going to be doing how to draw a swordfish. And if you don't know, my first video way back then, like maybe 2 months ago, I said how to draw a swordfish. And we had like this much cut off. So I decided, why not we add the tail and on the other part. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to draw a swordfish. So let's get right into it.
First thing we're gonna draw is gonna be the eye. So we're gonna draw a circle with another circle inside. So you can color that in. Then we're gonna make a line that goes up, all the way up to the tip of this paper. And then we're gonna just make it go down to right here, make a weird shape. Another one. I'm gonna make a line, a little big fat part. And then we're gonna make a line right here, 2 lines right there. This one goes all the way right there. And then we're gonna make a line that comes out, kind of like a backward C. Another line, and then we're gonna make it go all the way over there. Then we're gonna draw like a triangle shape with some lines in it. Then we're gonna make triangle, triangle, and then big triangle. Same thing on this side, triangle. Then this one has like a weird end to it, but it's still a triangle. But it's like wee. Kinda. And right here, we're gonna draw a line, another line. Alright, then we're gonna draw some like a line, but it's like spaces in the middle. And then we're gonna draw lines going through them. And we're gonna draw lines in here. Alright, now I'm going to start outlining. So I'm going to fast forward through all this outlining. Alright, now that we've done the outlining, now time for the coloring. So I will show you the colors that you would need. So of course you'll need a blue or 2 blues if you're shading, which I'm shading. You're gonna need a little lighter blue. Then you're gonna need like a pale yellow, kinda. Then, of course, you need your black. Oh wait, no, I already outlined, so I don't need the black. All right, so these should be your colors. All right, so I hope. All right, so these will be your, colors, the fast forward of the coloring, and I hope you guys that you guys very enjoyed this very awesome video. So yeah, start the coloring. Alright everybody, this is what your, oh, I forgot to do something. This is what your swordfish should look like. And I hope this is a good improvement from the, and this is, I mean, not hope, this is a good improvement from the first one. Because your first one, we only had that part. We only had that much. I think it was only like right there actually. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.